One of the great advantages of using Adobe Acrobat is the ability to add, replace, and reorder pages within a PDF, helping you manage the content in a document and work more efficiently. Hi everyone, my name is Angelo Montilla from montilladesign.com. I'm an Adobe certified professional designer, trainer, and YouTube content creator. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access the Organize Pages tool to insert additional pages into a PDF, swap a page using the Replace Pages dialog box, and reorder pages in a document. Let's jump in and get started. There are a couple options when inserting pages to a document. To access them, first click on All Tools, and then choose Organize Pages. This will display all the page thumbnails, and you can see here I have 3 pages in this recipe card document. Under Page Options, click on Insert, and here you can see that you can choose several ways to insert a new page. We're going to insert from File. Go ahead and click that, and here I have a PDF marked Recipe Cards _Ads. I'm going to choose that and click Select. In the Insert Pages dialog, choose the location where you want the new page or pages to be placed. Under the Location dropdown, you can choose After or Before. I'm going to choose After, and then you could target first page, last page, or a specific page. Currently, I have this set to page 1 of 3. However, let's say I want to insert them after page 2 of 3. We can do that and click OK. And here you can see the pages 3 and 4 have been added to the recipe card document. Another way of inserting pages is hovering between page thumbnails until you see a blue bar, just like this. I can click that blue bar and insert from File and use the same method. Choose the file, click Select. I'm going to click Cancel. To replace a page with a new or different version, select the page in the thumbnail view. For example, I'll choose page 3. And in the page options, click Replace. I'm going to choose Recipe Cards _Replace and then click Select. This will bring up the Replace Pages dialog that displays 2 sections, Original and Replacement. In the Original section, it will show the page you selected, in this case, page 3 of 5. I'll replace that page with the document I've selected. It's called Recipe Cards _Replace, and then I'm just going to click OK. You'll see a message asking if you're sure you want to replace the page. I'll go ahead and click Yes. And you'll see that the original page has been replaced with the new recipe card version. To reposition pages in the document, click on one or more of the page thumbnails and drag them into your desired position. For example, I can click page 2 to select it, Command or Control click to select page 3, and then drag them to the end of the document. In the Pages Selected dropdown, you could choose Even Pages, Odd Pages, Landscape, Portrait, or select all the pages. For example, I could choose Even Pages and drag those 2 pages at the end of the document. And if I close the Organize Pages tool, I can go to my page thumbnails and you can see that all of those pages have been reordered, I've added, replaced, and they're all here in this recipe card document. You now know how to add, replace, and reposition pages in a PDF using the Organize Pages tool. Check out these techniques with your own projects and start leveling up your Acrobat skills. Again, my name is Angelo Montilla, and I'll see you in the next video.